Welcome to the heart of the Navigator Company's forests, where nature thrives, showcasing its biodiversity and beauty. These forests, where Eucalyptus globulus grow and sustain life, are more than just a sight to behold. They are the lungs of our planet.
The Navigator Company manages more than 110,000 hectares of forest. The balance between environmental, social, and economic, it's very important to our forest strategy that we have. That's why all our forest is certified by the two well-known systems, PFC and FSC. The company is in close contact with local stakeholders, including forestry producers, promoting training programs, sharing knowledge, expertise, experience, and the best genetic materials. It acts as a driving force in the rural economy, fostering best practices which lead to more resilient, healthy, and productive forests.
It is from these forests that comes the main raw material for gKRAFT packaging papers. By buying gKRAFT, we are making an environmentally responsible choice, for we're buying products with a certified value chain.
Well-managed production forests play two main roles. One, reducing demand pressure for products from natural forests, and the second one, income generated by forest production areas, allows to invest in spots like this in ecosystem services and biodiversity.
Beyond their ecological, social, and economic significance, forests are champions in the fight against climate change for its important role in pollination, soil retention, and air quality. Produced from forest-based materials, gKRAFT packaging paper can turn the tide in favor of sustainability, encouraging the transition from fossil to the use of natural, recyclable, and biodegradable fibers.
The brand is a testament to the Navigator Company's commitment to reducing reliance on fossil materials and embracing more sustainable solutions.
A circular bioeconomy is the direction to take towards a greener future, where nature restores its balance and people thrive.